Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to CLIFFTIPS. Today, we're shining a spotlight on surflex, the online screen recorder owned by Nabla Mind that promises no watermarks, no limits, and stunning HD videos. Is it the game changer we've been waiting for? Let's dive in and find out. At the core of surflex's appeal is its simplicity and powerful features. As an online screen recorder, it boasts the ability to capture your screen without imposing annoying watermarks. Plus, there's no need to worry about time constraints. Record as much as you want. A notable advantage of surflex is its wide browser compatibility. Whether you're a Chrome enthusiast, a Firefox fan, a Safari aficionado, or an Edge user, surflex seamlessly integrates with your preferred browser. This ensures a smooth recording experience, no matter your browser's allegiance. One standout feature that caught our attention is the commitment to HD video quality. Surflex ensures that your recordings are crisp, clear, and ready for professional use. No more sacrificing quality for convenience. Navigating surflex is a breeze. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned users. No unnecessary complexities, just a straightforward platform to get your recording tasks done efficiently. Let's talk about watermarks, or rather, the absence of them. Surflex proudly declares a no watermark policy, meaning your recordings are yours to use without any distracting logos or overlays. Your content, your way. Tired of hitting recording limits? With surflex, record to your heart's content. Whether it's lengthy tutorials, epic gaming sessions, or comprehensive presentations, surflex won't cut you off. It's not just about recording, it's about sharing. Surflex provides HD export options, ensuring that your final videos maintain the same high quality when you share them with your audience or collaborators. In conclusion, surflex, with its key features, no watermark, no recording limits, and HD quality, makes it a strong contender in the online screen recording arena. If you value simplicity without sacrificing quality, surflex might just be the tool you've been searching for. That's it for our focused review of surflex's key features. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. This is Cliff from CLIFFTIPS, signing off. Happy recording, everyone!